inside our body. When enough positive power, whatever you want, you will achieve easily. No difficulties are coming in your life. Everyone look at it. Everyone, whatever you say, people say no. That energy, the spiritual energy. So that's why you have to be, whatever you doing, yes, a very real people, they got just like that you are rich, No, you are cutting your hair. With hair you do then your brain not going to be activated that much. You cut the hair, then you absorb the power. You create and you put the water. You absorb the power. You give something, you will get something. If you want to something, you have to pay for that. Other without pay, if you going to shop something you want, you take it. And what is happening? You tell you, oh, someone thief my item. That's why God give to us, so many things in this world. Your oxygen, you take your oxygen. Oxygen. We taken breath. It's coming.